Now see what you have to do. For example, the regard dash photo. You have one sentence. So first of all, when we are doing adjective possessive, we have to encircle the subject and the object. Fine. Subject you will get in starting, and object just after blank. The word just after blank you have to encircle. Subject and the word just after blank. The both you have to encircle. This is the first step. After this, the second step is you have to identify this word, the word after object. You have to identify whether it is masculine, feminine, singular or plural. Okay, so now you can check, you know how to identify. Is given means this is plural. Yes, this is plural, so it means we have to focus on this line. Okay, subject will tell ki what will come, which line will come, like mo, to, so which line will come. It depends on subject. Subject is the. So this is, so according to the, it means first line will come, this line will come, mo मा में. अब mo मा में इन तीनों में से क्या आए, this is depend on the word given just after blank. This is plural, so plural. This is masculine, this is feminine, and this is plural. So what will come here? May will come. Fine. Then second one, tiu ame dash ami, and circle subject and the word just after blank. Subject will tell what will come. tiu means तो ताते, it will come. अब तो ताते तीनों में से क्या आए? It's depend on the word after blank. Ami, this is, first we will check, this is masculine. Yes. Why it is masculine? Because it is not ending with e. Okay, it is masculine. Then second we will identify it is singular or plural. So it is not ending with s, so it is singular. Third we will check whether it is starting with a vowel or not. We have checked a is a vowel, so this is masculine singular vowel, and for masculine singular vowel what will come? This first line, that one of masculine. The same masculine we will use for vowel also, whether it is masculine or feminine, but it should be singular. If it is singular, then we have, and vowel, then we have to use first row. Okay, so this is masculine singular vowel, we will use to. Get it? Now third one, il ame dash ami, again il and circle the word after blank and circle. Il will tell what will come. Il so sa se, it means so sa se will come. अब so sa se तीनों में से क्या आए? This is depend on the ami. It is feminine because it is ending with e. It was not ending with e. It is masculine. It is ending with e. It is feminine. Not ending with s, so means singular. Starting with vowel, feminine singular vowel. I told you whether it is masculine singular vowel or feminine singular vowel. In both conditions we use first row only. So same, what will come here? So will come. Okay, according to il. Here tiu was given, according to tiu to will come, and according to il or l, so will come. The next nu, zavo dash passport, and encircle nu, encircle the word after blank, passport. Like this you have to encircle. So now nu, according to nu, noत्र no. Fine. अब तीनों में से क्या है? This is depend on the word after blank. Passport, it is not ending with e, it is masculine. Not ending with s, so means it is singular. So masculine singular, again first line will come. According to nu, noत्र will come. Okay, so here noत्र we use noत्र only whether it is masculine or feminine, but for plural we use no. In plural these three are same for masculine and feminine: noत्र, voत्र, leor. But in plural it is changed: no, wo and leor. Then fifth one, l zone dash livre, and circle l subject and circle the word after blank, livre. Else, this is else, not l. This is, it's l, and this is plural l. So this line will come leor and leors. अब इन तीनों में से क्या है? अब इन तीनों में से क्या आएगा, लोअर 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 में से this is depend on the liver, it is ending with s, this is plural, so what will come according to sorry here what will come here, yes, according to L what will come, lior will come. Okay, see what I have written, say na the same mistakes can done by you people also, that's why I have written this here. So you have to do take care. If I'll give you L, according to L you have to use here say, but here I am given L, so what will come, lior. Fine, so don't do this mistake, do take care of this. Okay, next is L. Now L is given. अब L कहाँ है, ये रहा L, अब यहाँ L आएगा. Okay, अब यहाँ सो सासे में से कुछ आएगा. And this is mare, it is ending with E, and mare means mother, and mother is feminine, it's feminine singular. So for feminine singular, second line. Okay, so what will come, sa. See. Okay, so like this you have to done this topic. I hope you all have clear with examples. Okay, so just you have to learn this table, and this table you have to use according to the subject pronoun. Okay, and two things you have to encircle, subject and the word after blank. Subject will tell what will come, which line will come, and object will tell which column will come. Okay, and we have to identify this masculine, feminine, singular, plural. We have to identify the word after blank in object. Okay, so and you all are aware how we identify masculine or feminine. If any word is ending with E, that is feminine, otherwise masculine. If any word is ending with S or ES or X, that is plural, otherwise singular. And vowel, we all know, if any word is starting with a vowel, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, H. So if any word is starting with A, E, I, O, U, H, then it is vowel. Okay, so this is our topic. Now I'm giving you one test.